Hello, it's Ella from Crochelicious. Welcome again. Today we are working on, actually we're learning how to double crochet, which is kind of a mix of single and double crochet, and I'll show you how to do it, and you'll probably think the same thing. So let's start. Okay, yeah. So we are of course starting with the foundation chain. So we first need a slip knot. So we wrap the yarn twice around the finger. Grab the first loop, then the other, slide it off your finger, and we just tighten it. Yep, okay. And we are going to chain with half double crochet. You can have even or odd number of stitches. That's not important for this particular stitch. So let's chain a little bit. Okay, I think it just, we'll all be good with just those few chains, just to show. And with half double crochet, we have to crochet in the third chain from the hook. So this one, of course, doesn't count because this is a working loop. So it's 1, 2, 3. And of course, I always recommend to crochet in the back loop because the line in the first round is sturdier, but we can go ahead today and crochet it from the front. So 1, 2, 3. We wrap the yarn around the hook, we insert the yarn, we grab the yarn and we pull through, and we have 3 loops on the hook, and we just grab the yarn again and we pull through all the loops. So we wrap the yarn right like in a double crochet, but then we just pull it once, right? So to close the stitch, we just need to grab the yarn once. So again, grab the yarn, insert, grab again, 3 loops, grab again, and pull through. Yep. Okay. Sometimes you need to hold it to pull through correctly. All right, so wrap the yarn, insert, grab, 3 loops, grab again, and pull through. And that's how we do it. So it's fairly easy to memorize, I think. And it's in a way slightly better than single crochet because it's longer. So you will have to make less rounds to make the same amount of your work, for example, for a scarf or something like that. And it's kind of better than the double crochet because I'm struggling. Okay, because the holes between the stitches are not that big, so it's best of both worlds. And so this is the first round, and now we just need to chain 2, turn, and again we're crocheting under those V's. So again, grab the yarn, insert the hook, grab again for 3 loops, and then just pull through the yarn. Oh, I need a bit more yarn. Okay, so grab, insert, grab again, grab and pull through. If I just had to give simple instructions. Alright, so let's just finish this round. And always, because we're working in rounds, you're going to chain 2 at the end of the round. I mean, I like to chain 2 because I think chaining 1 for half double crochet is not enough. So I chain 2. It's a nice length, I think. Okay. Almost there. Oh, lost it a little bit. Okay, and the final is here. So you can just chain and turn. And if you wanted to write it down, you would need, so first the chain, so this is the chain. Remember that, so we're crocheting in a third, so 1, 2, right? And then the symbol is just like that. and we chain again 2, and then we just crochet on top of the first round. And that will be, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So round first would be 7 half double crochet, and round 2 as well 7 half double crochet. Thank you for watching.